Hi folks, Low Wolf here again. A quick one today, bit of a garage job. You can see I'm tucked up to the nines here, freezing outside. My garage is like a blasted freezing, like a freezer it is. And the weather's naff. 2 degrees this morning. I was going out riding, but it ended up as 2 degrees. Feels like -5, so eat your jacket or not. I thought to abandon that, but I'll be bothering. So I thought, what can I do? I'll do a little quick video for you on one of the latest acquisitions that the old Lone Wolf has bought for his new Suzuki GSX 1000 GX. Right, so let's show you what it is. Okay, folks, how's that? Aoocci C6 Pro series. Anybody who's been used to my channel will know that when I had the CF, one of the biggest selling features for me was the phone connectivity, the Carplay, etc. And I have to admit, although a lot of people did have issues with it, I had no problem whatsoever. And in fact, I made so many videos for people or sent them videos of how to connect everything that in the end of the day, everybody was happy with it. But for me, I sold the bike, as you know, I've just done the epitaph. I've done the launch of the new one. And I thought, I'm really missing the Carplay. I didn't want to buy a normal sat-nav. Not really, I don't know why, but I just don't want a sat-nav. I really missed the Carplay. So I done a bit of research. And with my own money, and I mean my own money, I mean Aoocci, I've done a review and apparently people are looking at the review on their website. But unfortunately, they don't send me anything towards it. I've got no discount code for you or anything like that. What I have got is the box that I paid for with all my own money. So bear with me and we'll have a look inside. Right, so there it is, Aoocci. Leading car tech solutions. As I said, I did quite a bit of research on this and I thought to myself, this could well be the one for me. I know there's a lot of others out on the market and they're very in price, and this one I think was, with the discount code that I got off another YouTuber, Lamb Chops, bless him, I think I got this for about 130 odd quid, which to be honest is a steal compared to some of the others that are running at 500, 600 quid. And if you've probably seen everybody now doing them on the internet, it comes with 2 cameras and a remote control. So we're doing an unboxing, shall we? And I'll show you what's inside. We're going to do an unboxing, much like everybody else has done. So rather than bore you to death, let's have a look inside, shall we? What's in here? Nothing. Just all the bits that I haven't fitted. How's that? Rather than faff about and show you this is this and this is this and this is in the boxing and this is well wrapped, let's go and show it on the bike, shall we? And show you how I've installed the thing. So folks, there is the Aoocci in position on the bike. As I show you, I've had it fitted there at eye level. 2 reasons basically. First one being that I preferred it there in my line of sight than down there where the Quadlock is. Second thing is, if you look around here, you can probably just see it. There we've got, I'm going to get the shadow right. I've got Evotech Performance, and what this was a mount that came with the bike when I bought it. It fits to the screen, and basically I think it was used for some sort of navigation or maybe even a mobile phone. So when I installed the Aoocci, if you look right at the very back here, I'm trying to shade it from the from the daylight. It's a bit awkward. I'm trying to get the glare of the sun out. You probably can't see. I'm trying to shade it, get close. Where it fits there, there's a ball joint on the back of the Aoocci, on the C6 Pro, So I had to get the Dremel and Dremel it off, get it level, and then bolt it to the interface that's on this Evotech Performance holder. Works a treat. Brilliant. I'm really impressed with it. Wiring wise, as you see the back 4 wires coming out, bit of a nightmare, to be honest, to put in. You've got to kind of like get them down there. It's a bit of a mismatch at the minute. I've had to tie them in there. But eventually, once I'm used to it, I'll take all this surrounding off and find ways of losing these through there and out the bottom. But it is going to take a while, and I don't really want to strip it down just yet. I want to ride the thing first. But other than that, it's wire for wire, isn't it? Everything else is quite easy done. So, as you can see at the front, there's the front camera in situ. It's aluminium construction, the camera. The bracket's got one of these anti-removal screws on it. It's just an Allen key with a pin in the middle. The bracket's plastic, but I think it'll do the job. And if we pop round the back, got the same on the back. Fitted it there alongside the inner third eye. Just 3M taped it on, hopefully they're going to fall off. The front one I've put a little tiny, what you call it, self-tapper. So now it's wired to my Thunderbox, and basically, because it's wired to the Thunderbox, it comes on the ignition. I'm just trying to get a good position without the glare of the light. It's just a bit of a nightmare at the minute. How's that? So let's switch it on, see what happens. What's name's on? That's this, there we go. Aoocci. I haven't customised it yet and put any of my stuff in. You can change the logo card. I could put the Hello Wolf on if I wanted. Probably won't bother, leave it as it is. It's got everything on it that you want. You've seen all the people on the internet doing all their bits and bobs on it with a far better explanation than me. It should momentarily in a bit perhaps connect to my iPhone, I hope. My iPhone's a little bit of a distance away. I'd say it's connected now, as you'll see. Doesn't normally take that much doing. I think I've been faffing about with it for a bit, to be honest. So there we've got it, the screen, navigation, bit of music on Santana. Change that again. It's the home screen. Interconnect, back on. Got all the stuff that you want. I'm just trying to do this without being looking like a bit of a pillock. Google Maps, there we are. Full screen Google Maps. And obviously touch it here again. And we got the music back on. Excuse me, I have tried it. It works absolutely brilliant with my guard out, my helmet. Sound quality is brilliant, and it does connect basically straight away. Very, very impressed with it tools. When I'm out riding, I'll do a bit of an update on it, on the video, what it does, how it does it, what it's like with the music, etc. Hopefully. But all in all, it looks a really good piece of kit. Very impressed with it. So at the price, as I say, pity the likes of Aoocci or whatever they're called, they'll have help me and give me a link so as I can give you a discount. But I say at the moment, I'm getting absolutely no help off any people at all with this channel. Everything that's on this bike and the other bikes, every bike I've bought, I've paid for myself, and it's all been done by me. So switch it off and shut itself down in a second. So folks, here we are again outside, freezing my ass off. Sorry for the tyre, but my garage is like tiny, I can't do anything there, I have to do it outside. So, till the next time, it's Lone Wolf saying bye for now. Don't forget, give us a tick, like, subscribe, get this channel going. I'm struggling with, not subscribers, it's view time. I need to get a mass 4,000 hours view time to hit the next target, which hopefully then will release a lot more benefits to me and to you as viewers. But unfortunately, I'm stuck on about 3,600. And what happens is, it works on a 365-day cycle. So once I get close to the target, it moves on a day, and that day may be a day when I've had 100-hour watching time. So it drops back down again. So the Lone Wolf here is imploring you, watch the videos 2, 3, 4 times from me. I hope this all gets out to get these 4,000 watch hours, and then we can release another section of the channel, and hopefully then I can get people involved with A, loaning bikes, and B, getting the stuff that I can demonstrate to you, whether it's from a 50p item to a £300, £400 sat-nav. So on that note, a begging note it is as well. It's Lone Wolf saying bye for now, and don't forget, just be careful out there. Lone Wolf, bye for now.